In this video I will show you that how you can make cucumber juice and honey summer face mask for sensitive skin, and get glowing skin naturally. You will need 3 tablespoons oats, 1 teaspoon honey, 1 teaspoon cucumber juice, a bowl. What you have to do. Step 1. Take 3 tablespoons oats in a bowl. Step 2. Add 1 teaspoon honey. Step 3. Add 1 teaspoon cucumber juice. Step 4. Mix ingredients well. Step 5. Apply it all over your face. Step 6. Leave it for 15 minutes. Step 7. Rinse with water. Take care and stay beautiful.